What if you could check if you'll be pre approved for a credit card before you apply? And without hurting your credit score, no guessing, no surprises, and no unnecessary hard inquiries. Now, in this video, I'm breaking down the top credit card for 2025 that offers soft pre approval, plus inside tips to boost your approval odds, even if your score isn't so perfect. Now, I have helped countless people rebuild their credit, qualify for better cards, and get approved without falling into the rejection trap. Now, today, I'm not just giving you a list, I'm showing you how pre approval really works, what the banks aren't telling you, and which cards are worth your time. Now, a soft pre approval is a sneak peek into your credit file. Now, lenders can see enough to give you an idea of whatever you'll be approved for, but it doesn't necessarily leave a mark on your credit report. Now, a hard inquiry, on the other hand, is a deeper check that temporarily drops your credit score by a few points. Now, here's the beauty with a soft pre approval, you can test the waters before you dive in. But here's what most people don't realize: pre approval does not guarantee a final approval. It just means your odds are high based on the information that they have seen so far. American Express super quick online tool works for both cashback and travel cards. Great approval accuracy. Discover lets you check for both secured and unsecured cards. They do report to all three major credit bureaus. With Citi, their pages show you multiple offers side by side on what cards that you can be approved for. Capital One works well for fair credit options like Platinum and Quicksilver One. Now, here is a mini tip. Always enter your information exactly as it appears on your credit file, even the middle initial, to avoid false rejection. And I don't think a lot of people realize that, but just by missing that small part of your application or your pre approval process, that can make you get a false rejection to make you believe that you was not eligible for a credit card. Cards for rebuilding or low credit scores. Now, my first one on the list will be Open Sky, secured Visa, no credit check at all. You just pay a refundable deposit. My next one on the list will be Chime Credit Builder Visa, no annual fee, no credit check, and you can't overspend on this credit card whatsoever. So, this card is definitely to help you rebuild your credit. Next will be the Upgrade Cash Reward Visa. Now, with this card, there is a soft pull. They also have a 1.5% cash back, reports monthly as well. Next will be Avant. Now, this is for decent for fair credit with soft pull pre approval and a possible path to higher limits. Now, here is a pro mini tip for secured cards. Think of your deposits as a rental fee to borrow against yourself. The faster you pay on time, the faster you can upgrade. Now, Apple Card, you can see your credit limit and interest rate before your account or before you accept the offer on the account. You can see your credit limit and interest rate before you accept the offer with the Apple credit card. Now, with the Pedal to Cashback Visa card, no annual fee, uses data for approval. Next but not least is Navy Federal Credit Union. Now, members can get soft pre approval on multiple cards as well. Now, I'm also going to be sharing with you 5 amazing ways to help you maximize your odds. Number one, you want to know your credit profile, so use free tools like Credit Karma or Experian.com. You also want to make sure that you time your applications. So apply when you have fewer recent inquiries on your credit profile. Also, you want to check 2 and 3 pre approvals at once, compare limits and APRs because this do matter. And do not shotgun apply. So, multiple hard pulls in 1 week can tank your credit score badly. Last but not least, consider secured to unsecured upgrade paths. So it saves time and improve history. Now, I just want to shed some light on pre-approval isn't 100% approval. If your income does not match, okay, so you want to make sure before you go on there, put in your income, it's going to match your credit profile. You have recent late payments or your date to income is too high, you can still be denied after the hard pull. Also, be careful with sites that promise guarantee approval. There is no such thing. So now you've got the full list and game plan. Which cards are you going to check first? Let me know in the comments below because I might make a follow up video reviewing your picks. If this helped you, make sure that you hit the subscribe and turn on your notification bell and watch my next video that was last posted. Until next time, take care and I will see you all in the next video.